today we have a cat. Right here. And we are going to be playing hide and seek with this phone that we're doing this video on and that cat. Okay, so who's going to be counting first? You?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have the cat because
when
it meows, it's like, and Emma, if you have the cat and it meows, it will run away.
Oh yeah.
Or it'll give you away.
Okay, so go count.
One,
It might
2,
still cost them a little bit, but not much. Not as much as it was before.
So we're out here. And she's gonna end up finding me. So we're gonna hide outside. Let's see if we can get this. So we're hiding behind this door. She still hasn't found me. Which I'm hiding in this hole. There's a cat, dog, and everything. Check. Bathroom. Okay, so the door. I'm talking like they don't want to find me, so I'm just waiting for it.
you're out here with Spooky.
Oh yeah, see Spooky there? Okay, now it's Trinity's turn to switch my phone.
Emma, why did you turn it around?
This way they can see the door when you come out.
Okay, so it's my turn to hide.
Well, first I have to go to the bathroom, so take the kitty and the phone. I was out there holding my poop.
Ah.
Okay.
You don't take me. I'm running. He's so cute and tiny. I love you. And a phone. In my hand. Dog. Lucy. Get your booty out of here. Only cats. Is done. Yeah. Beautiful Kiki. He's mine. Yeah. My grandpa was doing woman work. Kiki goes over here. He's so cute. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay. Oh my gosh. I wonder. He's so cute. He's so cute. Right, Grandma? Can he be mine when I'm here? And when we stay the night? What?
I'm back.
Should
I stay on the couch?
So when I'm here, he's mine? Is that what you said?
No, I said he was a good boy today.
Oh.
Or last night.
When I'm here, hold on, Emma. When we're here, can he be ours? Or just when we're here? Yay! Grandpa, the kitten's ours when we're here.
Huh?
The kitten's ours when we're here.
Huh.
So,
You think?
Grandma said that she doesn't care, so.
But Grandma said it's my cat.
Yeah, but
you
it's
gotta ask-
mine and Emma's
You gotta
cat.
ask Grandpa.
It's mine and Emma's cat when we're
You
here.
gotta ask Grandpa.
Okay, Grandpa, can you be ours when we're here?
Oh, I'll think about it.
I see it! Did you win the video?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Okay, so now I get the phone. And the cat. Oh, can I please take the cat, please?
You have like boogers and stuff in your hand.
Get him off.
Ooh.
Oh, fine. I'm joking. It's
Okay, her turn
Stop.
to hide.
okay.
I'll let it be your kitten as long as Emma gives me a hug and tells me that she loves me.
Emma, do you want it to be our kitten when we're here?
Love you.
Look, you didn't hug me.
I did.
You didn't hug me. Huh?
Okay.
That's the only way I get a hug.
Okay, Trinity, count now.
Yay, it's awesome. We're here. Yay.
Count now, Trinity.
But his name still stays as Bandit.
No, his
Yep.
name is Loki.
No, Bandit.
Bandit. His name's Loki. 2.0 when we're here.
No.
Okay, Trinity, count. Count. Go count.
That would be confusing.
And Trinity, if you hear the doors open, leave the cat in here
Yep.
and just look
Well,
outside
know
for
that
me.
my voice, they say Loki instead
No.
of Bandit.
And look outside, right,
Yeah,
Grandma? Just keep the cat in here and look outside if I'm hiding out there. Or if you hear the door open, right?
Yeah, whatever. Whatever you're talking about.
Yeah.
I was
Whatever your mouth is running about.
We go with the flow.
Okay, Trinity, go count. Go count, Trinity.
Where does he climb?
Go count.
5 stairs.
Count. Go.
Down.
Go count in the bedroom.
Okay, I'll put him down.
No, not in the toilet. Or not in the trash.
Grandpa still put him down.
No. Go in the bedroom, Cecily, because I want to hide outside.
You know, you guys hear him doing different things. He's still a baby.
Okay, go hide. Go in the
Yeah, he's
room.
my baby.
Go in the room and hide.
Emma, was you in my hair stuff?
No, you
Liar.
put that one stuff in.
I can smell it.
Trinity. Okay, I'm gonna hide outside. I will give you a clue. Okay, so I'm going to hide back here because I don't want her to find me. Okay, so back and she'll never find me. Honey. Or just for her to come. Peace. Okay, so we're gonna hide right here. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so that was so scary. We're gonna go hide over here. That's the perfect spot. Okay. So we're gonna hide right here. On the swing. Like swing, swing, swing. Whee! Okay, so she's yeah, because this is a swing, but it's in front of my grandma's house, which the bed, like the door to get inside is behind, so she'll never find me. Okay, so I'm just waiting here for her to come and find me. So she still hasn't went out the store. I'm surprised. So we're just gonna keep waiting. And this is a plan. Place it. And this is my house that I live in. Oh, I'm gonna give you a house tour too. Okay, so outside we have some gardens. No, I'll be back. I'm gonna let my sister know. So, peace. We're gonna be posting this video. So, peace.